Welcome everyone. Now we see about object-oriented system development lifecycle. The software development process. The software development process consists of analysis, design, implementation, testing, and refinement, which transforms the user needs into software solution that satisfies the user needs. Software development can be viewed as process, that is, the process of change, the process of transformation, the process of refinement, or the process of adding to the existing product. Each process can be divided into smaller interacting sub-processes. Each sub-process consists of the following: a description, which specifies how it works, a specification of input required for the process, a specification of output to be produced. The software development process can be viewed as series of transformations, where the output of one transformation become the input of subsequent transformations. Software development process generally consists of three transformations. Transformation 1, known as analysis; transformation 2, known as design; transformation 3 is known as implementation. Transformation 1, known as analysis, which translates the user needs into system requirements and responsibilities, which is known as problem statement. Transformation 2, known as design, which begins with the problem statement from the transformation 1 and ends with the detailed design that can be transformed into operational system in transformation 3. Transformation 3 is known as implementation, which refine the detailed design into the system deployment that will satisfy the user needs. Now we see the example for the software development process. Waterfall approach, which is the one of the software development process, starts with what, that is, what is to be done, known as requirement gathering phase. Once the requirements have been determined, it moves to the next phase, in which it decides how to accomplish the requirements. This phase is known as design phase. Once the design is completed, it moves to the next phase, do it, in which the implementation is carried out. Once the implementation is carried out, it moves to the next phase, that is known as test. Once the product is tested, so finally the product is moves to the next phase, that is deployment stage, in which it satisfies the user requirement. Thank you.